We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for buy. We talk about the different possibility, and one of the option was to have entry above the top. We mentioned in case the price sharply continue from here. As we can see, the way the price moving is a corrective. We mentioned we won't keep our entry if the price continues as a corrective. That means no one should be in the trade. Even if anyone get the trade, they couldn't manage it. I mean, they didn't take out the entry. Almost we mentioned if we get the trade within the first move, we see there is no continuation. We take out the trade. The maximum is 2 hours, almost 3 hours. The price was there. That means no one should be in this trade. Okay, and we take out the trade. The only way to look for trade if anyone get the trade from here. Anyway, we want to see what's the next. As we can see, the price broke the previous top, and we want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right. And we want to see whether we can expect this one turn to a flat because we want to see whether we can get the flat. This is we want to see how we can look at the chart first of all. And one of the option is one of the view is we can expect to get the flat internal flat as a running flat for one move up. That means we can expect this one drop some more. Then any reversal for from there we can look for buy. Okay, but anyway we start with higher time frame. We want to see how we can uh, look at the chart for trade. If we move to daily chart, as you can see, the price is correcting here, but we want to see if we get any trade set up for buy. We can trade based on lower time frame, but the only question is how deep this correction can be, and that means how long the price can consolidate within this range. Anyway, we move to forward chart. Even based on forward chart, we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move, and this is what we get. And whoever get the trade within this move and still they keep the trade, they should book some profit. Because how about if this one turn to a flat for one more drop? First of all, we should be aware about this possibility. It doesn't mean the price is going to drop. We should be aware in case the prices start to drop, at least we know how to manage our trades. Those trades we get it within this one for buy, because based on forward chart we don't have any indication for the price to drop. Okay, that means still we can look for continuation. The only thing is we should know about this, aware about this possibility, and even if we get the drop in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a good trade setup. This is what we are more interested. Anyway, still we're looking for buy, and if we move to 1 hour chart, if we get any trade setup from now, we can look for trade. But any trade we consider as a short-term trade because based on 1 hour chart, we get the divergence. That means we can expect this one turn to a flat. But if we get one move up with the breakout of this, still we see the divergence. And even based on forward chart, we see the divergence. Mostly we can expect this one turn to a bigger flat. Anyway, if we see that one, I will give update. And right now, the only thing is if we get any trade setup, we prefer this one drop some more. We can look for this one as a flat. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. Even if we get any buy trade setup for buy, we consider as a short-term buy. And for those traders, they keep the trade within this move. They should start to manage, at least book some profit. All right. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.